Hi mga adas, I'm Richard.
And I'm Missy.
And you're watching Ma2ke TV!
Hello mga adas of Ma2ke TV. This is Ada Elaine. Maayong adlaw ninyong tanan. And I would like to welcome you all sa unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And special thanks to Globe, especially to Sir Edmund. Thank you so much kay ngano mga adas. Last na gyud ni. As in, mapasalamatan ka. We're very thankful of course to Mr. Eggy kay pinaka-last na gyud ni siya nga item nga nakuha nato kay gihold lagi ko no because of the kaning encode karon. And of course, dili ta mo dugayon, I would like to welcome you also, my two special guests, straight from Manila. We have Missy and Richard. Yay! So mga adas, let's start! Nagkuray na ang atong
naunsa man ni una sige manas lisunag Bisaya nindot man ni uy. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much Ma2ke TV for this phone. I will be also be blessed pag kayo na rin yung nagbayad.
So mauna mga adas no, ang iPhone 11 Pro Max ni Richard.
Yeah.
Iyang i-share ka nato karon.
So, well, we had the phone.
Sa na siya nga color?
And this is a midnight green color.
Midnight green.
So thanks to my uncle. And adapter, headset,
So, complete
charger.
package, no?
What's this? Oh, I think
The
this is
welcome.
the sticker. Sticker, the pin, and I think this is the instruction. Yeah.
Welcome note ni iPhone.
Welcome to my phone. So, just so you know, guys, we've been actually very excited to have this iPhone kasi nasa Manila pa lang kami nalaman namin na makuha namin yung phone. So,
Maraming pinagdaanan.
kaanang hirap yung mahal kong uncle para makuha ito. That's why, yeah. Let's check it out. Aside from this, see, ano ba? So, as you can see, guys, yung storage niya is 256 gigabytes. Doon nila ako mahal yung kalaki yung room for memory, storage of memories, music, love, mga ada. So, let's try to open it na. Saan man na mga on maning cellphone na. Oh my God. This is the first time nagagamit ako ng iPhone. So, yeah. Ito na po siya.
Kuray-kuray na mga adas ha.
So, hello. Na siya. Tayo na mag-open. Select. Sana may Bisaya din. Country man eh. Philippines.
Si Bisaya aron hanas kag Bisaya.
First the Philippines. Kalang mga adas. Philippines. Set up manually. So, tinatry natin i-set up yung phone yun. So, next. Sabi it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Now, we're just gonna wait for this phone to be activated. Then, we'll see how it looks like dun sa pinaka-menu niya. So, now we're here in data privacy on yan. They're asking for Face ID. Let's see how the security works. I'm setting up look at the new set up Face ID of Apple from iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's get started. Whoa. So I'm just gonna set this up.
Pogi
Okay.
na, pogi.
So you can see I'm trying to nod my head because the new face ID recognition requires 360 angle of your face. So whenever like your side, it will still open. So now I'm creating a passcode. Sorry mga ada, hindi ka fluent sa dialect ng Bisaya, kaya it's either tatagalogin ka kayo
o Englishin.
Englishin.
Man-English na mga adas. Man-English.
So now, since this is the first time nagagamit ako ng iPhone, app data, choose how to transfer apps and data to this phone. Restore, transfer, move, don't transfer, update. Okay. I don't have Apple ID, so I'm creating an Apple ID. Transfer, move data from Android. Okay, continue. Enter this code to your Android device. So, I have my old phone here, and I don't know how this works, but I'm gonna try to transfer my files here
From Android.
through here at iPhone. So, I'll get back to you once I set it up. So, guys, I think mahirapan akong gumawa mag-transfer ng files from Android to iPhone. I think it will still take time para ma-figure out kung paano. So, I'm just gonna create a new Apple account. So, stay tuned. While we're waiting dun sa Apple ID ko, pag-usapan muna natin yung ibang technicalities ng buong iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I think they have a new charger cable Kasi, tama ba, Ada Elaine, hindi ganito itsura nun before? This is not what it looks like
Mas
before.
malaki yung...
I think they're using now a Type-C
may type.
cord. And this is like my type char. So this is the usual port of iPhone. So yun, since ito naman, let's go to the headset. So dito sa headset, they're using this is one of the coolest headset of Apple kasi yung headset nila is naka-design only for Apple devices. Though last time I think uso na ngayon yung AirPods So, I'm just wondering kung bakit may cord pa rin yung binigay ni Apple sa amin. So, may mga bagay talaga na kailangan may tali. Parang kami, kailangan connected. So, hindi lagi dapat Bluetooth. Kaya siguro wala pang AirPods.
Kailangan tali na.
Let's proceed dito sa, what do you call this? Adapter? Yeah, adapter. So, ang sabi nila, yung adapter ito is napakabilis mag-charge. Normally, parang at least kung sa normal charger, it will take like 1 to 2 hours. Parang dito, it will take forever to love you. I think 30 minutes yung sabi nung officer dun sa Globe. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Just telling my comments. So, yun. And it has actually a different port socket now. Parang nga dyan dun sa Type-C. One of the coolest part is trinay ko I tried to experiment yung charger of Apple, and it seems like the charger works for Huawei phones, and my existing phone is Huawei P10. So I'll try to put it in my charger. I will also try to put it in my iPhone, my new iPhone. Let's see what will gonna happen. As you can see, guys, the phone is charging, and iPhone
Taking the battery.
it's taking the battery of my Huawei. So ang tridorness ng my phone, ha? Napaka-tridorness ng iPhone. So, nag-bonjour pa siya. Lakas niyang mang-asar, no, guys? So, yun. What a cool experiment. So amazing.
So So, si iPhone 11, pwede siya mo charge sa
Yes.
lain nga mga
Yeah,
phone.
nangihigop siya ng lakas.
Diba, Missy?
Di ba, Missy?
Pwede siya makikonnect kahit saan, basta Type-C.
Mhm.
Pero ikaw, connected ka lang.
Sa akin.
Yeah.
Siguraduhin mo lang. Siguraduhin mo yan. So, I think wala nang technicalities ang sticker. Baka pati explain pa namin yung technicalities kung saan siya dumidikit, sa puso mo ba o sa utak mo, hindi natin alam yan. So, this one is the iPhone pin. Yung sa lagay ng SIM card is ito yung pantusok. Minsan pwede yung pangulangot. I'm not sure kung para sa inyo pa siya magagamit. So, yun. And manual. Manual like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to read it. So, I think that would be all. Now, I think tapos na mag-set up yung phone. Pwede na natin siguro i-continue dun yun. Let's try to continue the setup.
Well, naka-charge kay Huawei.
While naka-charge ka, Huawei, asking me to ask for a appearance. One of the coolest part is kapag ka medyo introvert type of person ka, you want things dark or nocturnal, you're gonna choose the dark. And if you want something like good in your eyes, and you're gonna choose the light ones. In this case, I'm gonna be choosing the dark. And
If you want to
so meron dito is I think you have to choose the text size if you want to be parang naka-zoom. Let's see kasi I'm not sure how it looks like pagdating sa icon ha. So let's just try to zoom one. Let's continue.
Especially if medyo naki-problem sa eyes.
So yeah. So yeah, look, as you can see, tapos na siya. So let's continue. Yeah. Okay, now here is the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm just gonna explore it furthermore, and then I'm gonna tell you later on the other details of this phone.
Pwede mo muna kalikutan dyan yung setting.
Yung settings, wait lang. So, as upon checking the phone, there's one thing that gives me so much energy about this phone. So, about that, with regards to its camera, now, regarding to its camera, look how cool is this. See? It seems like it widens everything in terms of vision. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, para siyang naka-fish eye. And actually, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think that's 180 degrees or 360, I'm not sure. Pero sobrang laki nung sinakop nung area niya. So, if you want to see more details about how the camera works, you can actually check the sample photos from Google, or you can check some other videos of some other videos that friends with Ma2ke TV that promotes iPhone 11. And so yeah. Thank you so much Ma2ke TV for inviting us here in my beloved hometown. I'm with my girlfriend Missy, and this is my Ada Auntie Lane, and we are here Ma2ke TV.
Yes, mga Ada, so mauna to siya. Thank you so much, of course, for being with us sa pag-unbox ato ang bago nga iPhone 11 Pro Max. Di lang ni siya nahug nga unboxing, it's also a review. So, kamo din ha, kung kinsa tong na mga bagong iPhone sa din ha, iPhone 11. So, mauna to siya. Anyways, yes, once again, I'd like to thank these two lovebirds. These lovebirds, Missy and Richard, of course, for being with us today. And mga Adas, if you have questions or comments, just place it under. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed to our channel, that's going to be www.youtube.com/Ma2ke TV. And Richard and Missy.
Hit like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and mga Adas, thank you so much for watching Ma2ke TV. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, yun. Thank you for us. Thank you for us. Action! Thank you so much for bearing us for the unboxing of my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Action! So, thank you so much for bearing with us for the unboxing of iPhone 11 Pro Max. Together with Ma2ke TV for inviting us, my girlfriend Missy, here with very nakalimutan ko yung speech ko. Action! Here, Action! Thank you so much, Ma2ke TV, for inviting us. Kinain ko ulit. Action! Thank you so much, Ma2ke TV, for inviting her. Action! So, thank you so much, Ma2ke TV, for inviting us here in my home, beloved. Action! Ano yung una kong speech yung una? Action! So, thank you so much, Ma2ke TV, for inviting us here in my beloved hometown. Action! Thank you so much! Para sure! Para sure! Thank you so much!
Didn't even get to cross.